that people communicate is always changing.
Technology and the internet are always pushing the boundaries of communication,
Offering us new and exciting possibilities to connect.
Hi there, we're back with our fourth in our series for Windows Live in Canada. We're going to be demoing Windows Live Messenger, and we're going to be showing you three really cool features that you may not know about Messenger even though you use it every day. First, we're going to show you sharing folders, which allows you to share files with your friends. Second, we'll show you the brand new Power Search interface, which allows you to really have powerful search with your friends and make it a collaborative experience. And third, we'll show you the PC-to-PC calling feature, which we know a lot of people are using in Europe, but we don't know if people are using it here in Canada.
Okay, so the first feature that I'm going to show you is a sharing folder feature. Say I open Messenger right now. I went to Vegas last week and I have hundreds of pictures taken in Vegas. I really want to share with my friends, but I don't know which pictures you want, and I don't want to just send you all the 100 and then you pick and choose which ones I have, right? So what I could do is that I just bring up the Messenger chat window. I just click on open the sharing folder button. And you see, I can drag and drop all the pictures I have, the pictures that I want to share with Farhan, into this folder. And in this window, Farhan will be able to see exactly the same pictures, exactly the same view as how I'm seeing it right here. And he can, if he likes the pictures, he can drag it to his own personal pictures folder. He can send it to print. He can do everything he wants. The neat thing about this Messenger sharing folder is that it's not just a one-way sharing. He can share his files. He can put his pictures into the folder in here as well, and I'll be able to see it on my end.
Right, so I was in Vegas last week as well. I can just drag and drop pictures into there as well, and we can have one big folder of all our pictures, and we know, who has what.
Exactly. And I can actually go one level up and see all the folders I've shared with other people as well. So that provides me one stop, one location I can manage all the files I'm sharing with all my friends.
So what's cool about this is it's kind of asynchronous, right? I don't have to wait around and wait for you to accept every file. Just kind of, throw everything in the sharing folder, close the windows, and just kind of fire and forget, come back, and things are synchronized.
Exactly.
Okay, so the second thing we want to show you is the brand new Power Search feature that's built right into Messenger. And so within the activity window, you can actually do searches without having to leave the context. So I'm going to click on the search activity. And as you can see, a brand new search experience has showed up on the right-hand side. So I'll do a search. So we know Sarah Polly is in Cannes right now. So Sarah Polly. And what's cool is, again, we have the very, very interactive image search experience from within Live Search. I can do the zoom in and zoom out. I can, hover over the images. And actually, I can scroll down, and I still have that infinite scroll feature where I don't have to click on the next page.
Okay, so what does that mean? Just quickly show us.
So yeah, as I'm clicking down here, you can see the scroll bar is continuously updating, and I never have to click on the next button. So I'm already seeing here 20 images, 30 images. As I keep going, more and more images will load into this window. Now, because I'm in Messenger, I can do some cool things. I can actually click on this little Messenger icon here, and it'll send my contact a link to the image right away. And just like in the full Live Search experience, I can go through images in a cool kind of interactive fashion. I can drag and drop it onto my display pic, and now my display pic is Sarah Polly. I can drag and drop it onto the background, and when I'm talking to this contact, this image will always show up in the background of our conversation.
Perfect. If I really like that background, can I share it with my friends as well?
Yes, exactly. So you can actually drag different pictures to your friends. You can have the same background picture going with your friends. It's actually totally customizable. Another experience is I can just actually click on another button here, and I'll just drag an image from the search experience into the conversation. What this does is actually, you'll see it show up there, is it'll put up, it'll actually send the image to the person. So in one drag, I can send the entire image to the person, and they can download it to their machine.
Perfect. I see there's also a search button in the conversation window. What does that do?
So when you click on search, so if I'm looking for like Mix07, I can click on search instead of send, and that'll actually pull up right into the conversation window a bunch of web results that my contact and I can kind of go through.
Very neat.
So I'm just going to switch over to the news scope here, and I type in Conrad Black, and what you can see again is the search results right in Messenger. But what's different from the Live Search experience is we have the infinite scroll feature on all of the scopes. So I can click on news and see infinite scroll, and again, I'm going to click down. And as I click down, more and more results are going to load up. And I can do the same thing in web. No more pagination, no going next page, and instead I can kind of see everything at a glance. I'll click on send to my Messenger contact, and you'll see the title of the article and the link to the article is automatically sent to my contact. So again, connected experience where I can share my results with my contact. And what's cool here is a preview. So I can actually click on this preview button, and it'll allow me to preview the web page before actually going to it. Again, like the image search, I can scroll, I can zoom in and out, And this is very cool because, you know, you're in a kind of a smaller window here, but I can see if this is the page I'm looking for or not before I send it to my contact. Very, very cool experience, built right in the Messenger.
So the last feature that Farhan and I are going to show you guys today is the PC-to-PC call feature in Windows Live Messenger. So what I need to do is very simple. I just go through my normal daily routine of opening up Windows Live Messenger. I find Farhan, say I want to chat with you. All I need to do is just click on this button, say call a contact. If I were to have a webcam on my laptop as well, what I could do is go to this button and say a video call, and that would have video and voice at the same time.
Right, so I'm just going to click here and call you, and you can see the experience when you're actually receiving a call.
Right, so within seconds you will see an invitation come out on a chat messenger window. See, I have two choices. I can answer or I could decline your call, but to be a good friend of yours, I will just choose answer this time.
Thanks, Jackie.
No problem. And you can see, I just need to click on answer, and immediately two new controls pop up. Right. I can control the volume of my mic. I can tune it up. I can tune it down. I can actually mute it as well if I don't want to speak to it at this moment. I can also change the volume of my speaker. Depending on how loud Farhan talk, I can adjust it on my side.
Right, so what's cool about this is, again, is you can do all the things you've always been doing in Messenger without having to leave the conversation window. Right. We can continue to, you know, text each other. We can continue to, we can start the power search activity. Right, we can do all of these things and enhance it with voice. Like sharing images, sharing URL. Like these things is really hard to do it through a phone. But in PC-to-PC call feature in Windows Live Messenger, you can do this all within the chat. In the chat window. Right, and what I liked about this was actually it was one click. I clicked on one button to call him, he clicked on one button to answer, all very, very seamless. So, we just showed you 3 cool features in Windows Live Messenger. To make sure you have the latest version of Windows Live Messenger, go to get.live.ca. And along with Windows Live Messenger, you'll see all the other betas in Windows Live in Canada. So as always, Jackie and I signing off. Make sure to check out our other vidcasts and send us your comments right from the URL at the bottom of our screen.
Really? I don't see it. Where?